Hello everyone. In this new update of Touchnotes, you can freely rotate objects, letters, words, or sentences. So, this is the biggest update we have got till the date, uh, mm, which is very useful actually, because sometimes you want to rotate the object at specific orientation, and till now you couldn't do that, and now you can do that. So basically I'll show right here how you can do that. I'll write something here, like, again, Parker solar mission. So you can select it and rotate it as you like. You can highlight it. That's it. You can also rotate any specific letter, like I have selected whole, sorry, but let's write something else and then do it again. Parker, and selecting P only, and you can place it anywhere and rotate it any specific orientation, like AR, you can place it right that, and KER at any orientation, so any angle. And this was for words you have written in the notes, and you can also change the angle or orientation of any object you have made. For example, this rectangle or this star and this triangle. All you have to do is select it and rotate at the angle you want to use it. Same goes for this rectangle, and same goes for this star. Okay, place it where you want to place it. So that's all it about